Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today. Today on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. Um, so I thought I will continue with the additional of yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, November the 13th. But we have no additional on that day. So I've decided to solve the edition of Thursday. Thursday, October the 28th, 2021. We have four puzzles left then. The one star, the two stars, the tectonic with one star, and a binary puzzle. Four puzzles to solve today. And let me start with the one star. The one star number 3681. 3681. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And for a one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Then three missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in. No. The 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Then four missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So two boxes left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. We see here another 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, let me mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the 8. The 2 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those. Okay. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. Okay. Yeah. Think. Two. Yeah. We have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Two numbers left in the third row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 6 and the 9 in the first row. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 7, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then. 1. Vink. Yeah. You too. 7, 1. We have a pair. 7 and an 8 in this column. 7 and an 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. A pair, 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here, an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. All right. Two numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Then 3, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 4. That means we have a double 4 here in this column. This box cannot be a 4 anymore. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 3. Then. How about a 4 in this column? 4 in that column. So the column between. The only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Faster than 15 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you later with the second puzzle, a 2-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.